Whatever you reply me, it is going to record it. The compressor which is shown in a picture is a single stage or multi-stage. Sorry, friends. All this to multi-stage. Okay. Any other answer? Single stage. Okay. Any other answer? We have compressor types of compressor. The next single stage, multi-stage, copper. So this before we are going there, we should know this picture first. Arya, what type of compressor it is? Single stage or multi-stage? Okay, Diana? On what basis you said multi-stage? Friends, keep this because with the cylinders. There are 3 cylinders, correct? Right, no? So this is 1, 2, 3. So we can say this is a multi-stage air pump. 1 cylinder like single stage. Okay. Understood? Now, compressed air generation we discuss. Air compressor will see pressure regulated dryer. Pressure air compressor also shown me maybe pressure regulator. Yesterday we see the pictures. Dryer we are on the topic dryer yesterday. We finished this. Then air receiver, conductor, fittings, FRL unit, application of pneumatic, hazards, safety precaution system, and pneumatic actuator. One by one, we will see all these are the parts of the pneumatic system. And when the actuators comes, no, we will come to know which are the all these actuators, how it's controlled. Compressed air. Okay, air compressor, they are shown here. Again, the same picture they have used here. So these are the 2 section port here, black color. So open to the air, which can see there. So whatever the atmospheric air is, it's up and get compressed here and send it to this header. It is send it to the air receivers. So all the cylinder discharge line they are connected with here. You can see this is connected here. This is connected here, and this one is connected here. So the common header is here, and then it is passing to the this. This is a on-off switch. The green is on, red is off. Once you press this, motor will start. Okay. So the pressure regulator. How much pressure you want, we can regulate it. Because if we require 7 bar, we can control it with the help of this pressure gauge. Now these are the dryers. In the dryer, why we require dryer? Because the atmospheric air contains some moisture which is harmful for the machine control, piston and all. They will get rusted. So to avoid that, the air we need to dry. Okay. So types of dryer we require refrigerator type dryer, adsorption type dryer, and absorption type dryer. See, so the types of dryer. First, we'll see this is the circuit diagram. You can say for the refrigerator type dryer. Now refrigerator means we require one refrigerator unit. So here there is one refrigerator unit is shown here. This is a refrigerating machine. It may be a compressor or anything. Then refrigerating unit, maybe this is a condenser. Okay, which gives the heat. Here, dryer we need to reverse the cycle. Not cool. We need to heat it. It was the absorption. If you go in the cold country now, very cold country, they don't require AC air conditioning inside, but they require this type of heaters. Means they are same refrigeration system only, but that it is reverse. Okay, for the moment. Up to me AC if you stand no air conditioning unit if you go and see there is a lot of heat. Inside it will cool, but outside it's very heat. So there is a heat exchanger they have given here. See, this is a air outlet, air inlet. When after compressed air, it getting inlet in the dryer. So it is going here. Okay. It is going here, going into the where? This refrigerator unit they show. So in the refrigerator unit, this black color, whatever they show, no, what is that? It is a warm air. In garam hoता then it's coming black color arrow they are seeing coming out to the air outlet, means where the cylinder valve or thing with it. Understood? Now to make this hot, they require refrigerating machine here. You can see. So in the refrigerator machine, that gas is coming there like compressor acid. So it is get circulate here. So it is coming here, getting warm and going back for this way it circulates. And in the air the heat jata na so it is called a refrigerator type dryer. We require two refrigerating machine one and refrigerator unit one, means condenser one is required to absorb it. This is the most common and economical method of drying air. The compressed air is passed to the refrigerating unit and refrigerant expand on absorbing the heat. See here the refrigerant get expand. Same here, vapor compression system is same here. So refrigerant expand on absorbing the heat of air and it's recirculate by the compressor. So refrigerating machine means nothing but it's a air compressor. Like refrigerated compressor, not air compressor, refrigerated compressor. On cooling, moisture separates heavy water particles and precipitates at the bottom, which can be drained at a regular intervals. Drying air by refrigerated method is economical and dew point is 5 degrees centigrade is normally achieved to 80% of the moisture in the compressed air is filtered in this method. So maximum 80% air is getting dried. Next dryer is called adsorption type dryer. Now here there are some different mechanical components. Even I don't see, I not seen this type. Maybe I seen, maybe I not make out. See here what happens. There is a heater here. Okay, this is a after filter. So this is a dry air after coming out from the after filter. So where is the raw air? See, most air means this is the raw air after compressor. It is coming inside this pre-filter. Pre-filter means there are some mesh gas filters. So it is passing to the pre-filter oil filters. Then there are two valves they have given here. One is set off valve, another set off valve. Both are maybe closed, I don't know. But this valve has to arrow means it has to open. So this air will come to here and get adsorber 1. Okay, there is adsorber 1 and adsorber 2 means there are some mechanical device they have mentioned here. The name of that device is called adsorber 1 means here the all air moisture getting adsorbed in this absorber. So then it is passing to the hot air. Okay, this is coming here. Another set of valve is there. And this can be shifted to the dryer after passing. And they are shown here. There are two pipes are here. You can see this. Okay, for this adsorber 1 and adsorber 2, there is one. They are shown here. Okay, this then it is coming here. If it is this is off, then in adsorber this is on. This will come here, adsorb. Then going like this. No. So fan heaters going like this inside. No, there is some confusion in there. But just understand what is, we'll read this, huh? What exactly happened in the adsorber 1 and adsorber 2. There are set of valve and one heater is there and fan it. Very fair not. See, this is a chemical process. So the adsorber 1 and 2, they are some mechanical device which contains some chemicals. The silica, you know, silica. It's a chemical to absorb the moisture. Packing a box be open, you will find some silica pack. Silica pack is made up with very issues made. Stone or nobody open anything. Here new packet any if you brought some machine, anything, you will find some silica gel inside it to absorb the moisture they are provided. It's like similar types of chemicals is used here also to absorb the moisture. See, this is a chemical process. The absorbent is basically a silica gel. See, whatever I said, same it is used. Mostly silica gel is which absorb the moisture. Basically, a silica gel in the form of granules. Here, what in there indicated stone, but stone astai. Canna packing in a freeze anything is brought no. You find some stone packet matter, silica gel, white, correct. Why they are kept in that box? To absorb the moisture. Mostly in electronic item. Some electronic item capture the moisture, no, it will get spoil after some time. Use them. So to remain warm and moisture free, we are providing it. It is strictly told it can't be eatable. It's a poisonous actually. Okay, only for that. Now here also this absorber 1 and absorber 2 both are used as a contain the granule means they have stone are a crush powder of take more time granule money. Understanding no? Dylan, whatever I'm explaining, you are understanding no? What I said mean by what is the purpose of absorber and what it contains. The water vapor is deposited on the surface of the gel. So where the gel is there on the surface, the water vapor gets deposited. The condensate is drained off at the bottom of the dryer. Okay, there is a dryer here. At the bottom of the dryer, the condensate drain आती उदा हुई तो absorb okay. Then this process is costlier and less efficient, and hence it is not preferred for most of this application. So this process is very costly also, and less efficient, not that much of efficient. Hence it is not preferred for most of the application. So it is there, process there, but sometimes they use. Next is absorption type dryer. Now, what is the absorption? That is absorption means there is some chemical gel is used, that is silica is used to absorb the water. Now, another is called absorption type dryer. Here, the dry air's outlet direction, most air is coming inside here and getting circulated here. And there is one layer is provided. Correct? Because they have shown that it's called flux. And there is, so whatever the flux is, no, which whatever the droplets contain, no, it will remain here and get settled here. The blue color is the and all is what? Water. And that is drained down to the condensed drain pipe. So here it is getting condensed. And whatever the air, actual air without moisture, it's passing through here and coming out. Absorption type system. Very simple it is. See, in this method, the water vapor is absorbed by a absorbent, generally salt. Here they are used just salt. Salt layer from dialoguing. They absorb. This method, water vapor is absorbed by the absorbent, generally salt. As a general rule, 13 kg of water requires 1 kg of salt. Suppose 13 kilos water will we require 1 kg of salt. Sodium chloride.